National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe in Georgia until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles west of Cox, moving northeast. 7 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles west of Cox, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Townsend and Shellman Bluff. This includes Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 52 and 78. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and this storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Increased rotation has been detected and a tornado warning may be needed. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, bathroom or small, central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for a portion of southeast Georgia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Georgia: Liberty, Long, and McIntosh. Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for a portion of southeast Georgia. Damaging winds. Increased rotation has been detected and a tornado warning may be needed. Remain alert for a possible tornado. If you spot a tornado, take shelter in a closet, bathroom or small, central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for a portion of southeast Georgia.